In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Microsoft Teams mobile app. We'll walk through the process starting from the web version of Microsoft Teams, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to install the app on your phone using the built-in option provided on the site. This is especially useful if you're already using Teams on your computer and want a smooth way to move over to mobile without having to search manually in the App Store. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams webpage. Once you're signed in and you can see your Teams workspace, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon usually represents More Options or More Actions. Click on those 3 dots. When you do, a small menu will drop down, giving you several options related to your Teams account and settings. In that menu, look for the option that says Get the mobile app. The wording might be very similar, and it may sit alongside other options like downloading the desktop app or adjusting settings. Go ahead and click on Get the mobile app. As soon as you select this option, Teams will guide you through the process of installing the app on your smartphone. The exact prompts you see may vary slightly depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, but the overall flow is the same. Typically, you'll either see a QR code you can scan with your phone's camera, or you may be given links or instructions that direct you to the official App Store for your device. If you see a QR code, open your phone's camera, point it at the code, and tap the notification that appears to open the download page. If you're provided with a link or a button, just follow it, and it will take you straight to the Microsoft Teams app listing. From there, install the app as you normally would on your device. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and sign in using the same account you use on the web version of Teams. After you're signed in, your chats, Teams, and meetings should all sync automatically. Simply follow each on-screen prompt until the setup is complete, and you'll be ready to use Microsoft Teams on the go.